Well, just get some buckets and a shovel then. I've got one bucket, I just need the others. Yeah, get another bucket, get 2 buckets. Alright, soundbite. Get out of the fucking sun. Right, I'll always check these first to see if any needs bedding up or anything. Bang on level. Level. A little bit low. So I'll bring it through this way. What? Full. Yeah, I wanted my barrow, you know, so I could barrow it. It's a lot easier, isn't it?
Yeah.
Pretty much level all the way round. No. I can't get it any more that way. My brick hammer's down there. You got it?
I'll let you level off top, running. Get that other one done.
Fucking hell.
Michael said.
You got a jointer?
Yeah.
Check it all. This is no marinating. Hang on. fucking caviter. Stop laying. Probably be our fault. Who done it?
Sorry, I thought you checked it.
Right, that's right, we'll whack it into place.
Done in nice.
It's done them very tight.
I like you've got new bit and a really, really old bit.
Yeah, because they're not lining up with each other. What's that? Yeah. It's right twisted, this one. Right, that's about bang on. Sound. You meant to what? Flick it over?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Like that. So you lay it.
Tell you what's doing my head in.
What?
We're not jointing up these blocks down here. The reveals. Because the thing is, I've got to do it. I'm gonna have to do it anyway. Where was it at? Oh, was it pretty level, did you say?
There was a slightest dip in the middle.
Ah. See the bow in the middle. Yeah, they'll smash this, Jack and Kurt. Happy days.
Yeah, but if me and you can come out of that breeze, come straight up here and get loaded and start loading.
Yeah.
Don't let go.
Oh. Snotty wool. Snotty one there, isn't it? Is that Jack, you at your panel?
No.
Bang on.
Buckets in this, can't I?
I'll tell him to just drop it down.
Might as get it put down near that pot, mate. You ain't got to spot more for it.
Let's go around and check them. Hey. Not bothered if it's a few mil. What's he doing? Give you the finger?
No, I'm waiting to get wet. Lewis is waving back up there.
Lewis?
Yeah.
Oh, the chipper.
Lewis.